Roblox keeps crashing on your Android phone, whether it closes automatically, crashes while loading, or during gameplay, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you effective ways to fix Roblox crashing issues on Android. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure that you have a stable connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. After that, let's move on to actual solutions. Solution 1. Disable battery saver and background restrictions. Battery optimization can force Roblox to close. Now hold the Roblox app, then click on the round icon in the top corner. Now scroll down and tap Battery. Set Roblox to no restrictions or allow background activity. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. Open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap Apps or App Management, then search for Roblox and tap it. Scroll down and select Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data. After that, check if the issue is solved. Solution 3. Update the Roblox app. This error usually means Roblox needs an update. Open the Google Play Store on your device, then search for Roblox and tap Update if available. Wait for the update to finish. Now open Roblox and check if the problem is solved. That's it for today. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if you're still facing the issue. Thanks for watching.